assembly today. Not you. Well, you do it with me, but not. Oh, just a second, children. Just a second. Hello, everyone. Betty. She is really excited about today. Yes, she is. She's very excited. So, welcome to our Friday celebration assembly. Yes, Betty. I know. Betty. I hope everyone had a good week. It's gone by really fast, and we're ready for our celebrations. Are you ready? I know you are, Betty. Betty, go sit down, please. Betty, make good choices. There we go. Are we ready for our awards for this week? Oh, I am. I can't wait to see who has received our awards. First, we have the Going for Gold Awards, and we have Leeds class. And the first one we have is Henley. Henley gets this award for settling well and following the nursery routines. We also have Barry for joining in with ball games with a group of children. In York class, we have Caden for remembering to use his words to tell people how he feels. And Lilia for remembering lots of double facts. In Hull class, we have Antonia for excellent work in PE and history. And Izzy for leaving finger spaces between her words and forming her letters more clearly. In Nottingham class, we have which is year 2, the whole of the year 2 class for the year 2 children in that class for their amazing efforts in SATs this week. We also have Tristan for helping others log on to the Times Table Rock Stores. In Liverpool class, we have all of the year 2 children for their amazing efforts as well for this week for SATs. We also have Leland for super effort in reading words with 3 sounds in them. In Cardiff class, we have Will for coping with the change of the adults very well this week and trying hard in lessons. We also have Rebecca for excellent answers in English and reading. In Edinburgh class, we have Leighton. This is for an increased effort and enthusiasm with his work over the last couple of weeks. And Kristen for her super independent work making her shadow puppet theater. In Cambridge class, we have Tyler for persevering and showing positivity in maths this week. And Harvey for coaching a team member and being helpful during PE. In London class, we have Jacob P. for working hard in lessons and for being more focused, and Amelia for working hard on her Jubilee design. In Oxford class, we have Marta for writing a very informative SATs leaflet, and Oliver for always displaying excellent arithmetic skills. In Lincoln class, we have Benji for having an amazing week toilet training, fully dry and using the toilet. Fantastic! In Chester, we have Xavier and Louie for creating some lovely animal masks as part of our project work. Well done, everyone. Give them a big clap. Well done. Now, for Year Being Healthy Awards. In Leeds class, we have Keelan for always showing positivity in the nursery setting, and Willow G for having good relationships with the children in nursery. In York class, we have Olivia for eating all of her dinner every day this week, and Connor for always being a kind friend. In Hull class, we have Lorraine for working towards meeting her goals. We are very proud of her. And Bailey for amazing sprinting skills in PE and being inspired to do even better. In Nottingham class, we have Lacey for amazing catching skills and Caleb for his perseverance during the tricky challenges this week. In Liverpool, we have Morgan for fantastic effort in PE with her jumping and landing skills, and Skylar for increased confidence in PE. In Cardiff class, we have Adam for excellent effort in rounders this week, and Amelia for keeping active outside school and completing her dancing exams. In Edinburgh class, we have Zoe for improved confidence in swimming, moving to a new group, and persevering brilliantly. and Goran for superb effort in swimming this week. In Cambridge class, we have Ava for trying her best in PE this week and Dylan for keeping fit at break times. In London class, we have Tommy for working really hard in netball this week and Riley for working really hard in netball as well. In Oxford class, we have Kyla for always being willing to share her ideas with the class and Tommy for being helpful when we've had new adults in the classroom. In Lincoln class, we have Ethan for eating raisins at snack time for the first time all week. And Chester class, we have James and Kai for trying really hard in PE and helping the smaller ones. Well done, everyone. Give them a good clap. Well done to everyone this week who've worked really hard. I'm very proud of you. Next week, we have a really exciting week planned because it is the platinum anniversary for Queen Elizabeth. And we're going to be celebrating the Jubilee next week with lots of different activities that you're going to be doing in class and outside of class. Remember, on Friday, it is a non-uniform day, and we ask everyone to wear red, white, and or blue in celebration because we're going to be having a playground party. And at our playground party, we're even going to have some party foods and a bit of a dance. Yes, there'll be a disco. How exciting is that? Okay, everyone, have a fantastic weekend. I can't wait till next week. See you later. Bye.